Alright guys, this is a CB500X 2019. First thing you want to do is measure here. For me, you push it all the way up and it gives me 25 millimeters. When I let go down all the way, it's about 75. It's hard, but I already measured 75. Let me subtract that, and it's gonna give me 50. So we wanted to make it 35 millimeters. So I marked this side, and I also marked this side. So this will not here, and the little one. So when we tighten everything back, it's gonna be the same, with this lining up with the same line that I did with the marker. Alright guys, so for the left side I did it with a socket 19, but I should have started first with the right side, because I found out that when I did the left side first was much more difficult, and then when I did the right side it was already pretty much loosened. So I start with the right side first, and for the right side was at 24, and for the left side it was a 19. So for the little one here that is gonna adjust the chain, it's gonna be 12, and that's again for a CB500X 2019. So we're gonna loosen up this one with a 12 and start pushing with with a 10. All right, so let's get focus here. So when I do it all the way up, it measures let's see how much it measures. 30, and when I put it down, 60. So that's 30 free play, and I measure how much I adjusted that where the pencil mark is. Let's see on this side. There. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I started wrong. I should have loosened up this first. So since you have the marks from before, just wanna leave it where it was, with the 24 on the right side and the wrench or 19 on the left side. So you just hold it in place, and you can just do the right side, and that will adjust both, basically two hands, one here and one on the 24.